Hello, I'm Alex from Sembly AI, and today I'll show you how to push tasks, meeting notes or transcription to Attio CRM. First of all, you'll need to create your own account in Attio and create the workspace here. After that, you'll go to the Sembly and click to My Automation. Now we go to Browse All Apps and find the Attio here. Click to the Attio and click Connect. Confirm. Now we connected our account to Attio. So let's create new automation. Here we have three windows. We can name it like Meeting Notes, select, and I'll choose Meeting Notes and click Done. In the filter, we will choose which type of meeting notes we will apply. I'll apply to all meetings that I have access to and click Done. Now complete. After you set up the automation, all tasks, meeting notes or transcription that was detected in your meeting will automatically send to the Attio. But you can also do it manually, and I'll show you how to do this. We can go to My Meetings or Shared with Me, click to Our Meeting, and click to the Flash. Now we will use our automation to post meeting notes. And now we can check in the people inside the Attio. This people is like participants from our meeting. Now we go to the notes, and here we have the notes from our meeting.